Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of partner classification and validation in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module allows you to categorize partners based on custom criteria, ensuring better organization and streamlined management of customers and vendors. With built-in validation rules, you can maintain accurate partner records, prevent duplicate entries, and ensure data consistency. Perfect for businesses handling large client databases, this module enhances efficiency, improves decision making, and strengthens customer and vendor management. So now we will go into the settings. Under user and company, select user, select a particular user. Here you can see two checkboxes named approve vendor and approve customer. Here I am enabling approve vendor and saving it. Now I am going to the contacts. I will select one contact. I am selecting Azure Interior. Here you can see the sales and purchase tab. When you open it, you will see two toggle buttons, name, customer and vendor. You can enable the vendor toggle button. And now when you try to enable the customer toggle button, it will throw you a validation error saying you do not have access to approve the customer. So we will go into the settings again. Under users and company, select a user and enable the checkbox approve customer. After saving this, Michelle admin can approve any contact as customer or vendor. Here you can see I am able to enable the customer toggle button. I am selecting Azure Interior as customer here. Here you can see Azure Interior is customer. And in contacts, I will go into the another contact. I am selecting Deco Addict and here I am enabling the vendor toggle button. Now, here you can see Deco Addict is a vendor now. Now, we will go into the sales module and we will try to create a new quotation. Here, in the customer field, you can see only Azure Interior is coming. And that is why, because we have selected the toggle button for customer in Azure Interior. Now we will go into the contacts. Here in Azure Interior, if I disable the toggle button, and again, if I go into the sales module and try to create a new quotation in customer field, no customers will come. Now, same as that, we will go into the purchase module and we will try to create a new RFQ. Here in the vendor field, you can see only Deco Addict is coming as we have enabled the toggle button of Deco Addict as vendor. Now, in the contacts, under configuration, we can see a menu named partner classification. Here you can see I have already created one classification as customer. Also, I have given a reference sequence and I have selected the release button. Now here, I will create a new classification as vendor. Will select a sequence and will enable the Boolean release. Now, again, in the context only, we will go into the Deco Edit. In again, sale and purchase, here we can see that a field of partner classification and also reference. Now I will select, as we can see Deco Addict is a vendor, so I will select vendor here. Now when I save it, you can see a reference number is generated for this contact or vendor. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.